Want to automate tasks directly on your Windows computer? Microsoft Power Automate Desktop lets you create desktop flows that can perform repetitive actions like opening applications, managing files, entering data, and interacting with websites. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a desktop flow in Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, launch Microsoft Power Automate from the Start menu and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're on the home screen, you're ready to begin creating a new automation. Click New Flow or Create, then choose Desktop Flow. Enter a descriptive name so you'll be able to recognize your automation later. After creating the Flow Designer opens automatically. This is where you'll build your automation by adding actions from the list on the left side of the window. Drag the actions you need into the workflow. You can launch programs, open folders, copy files, type text, click buttons, read data, or automate many other tasks by arranging actions in sequence. Click Save, then select Run to test your desktop flow. Watch each step carefully to make sure the automation behaves exactly as expected. If something doesn't work as planned, return to the designer and make adjustments. You can add conditions, loops, variables, or additional actions to build more advanced automations over time. And that's how to create a desktop flow in Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. Once you understand the basics, you can automate many repetitive Windows tasks and significantly improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.